In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Ancestry Black Friday deals. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Ancestry Black Friday deals. Right here, go to this website, which is called blackfriday.com. And as you can see right here, we have some deals that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, right here, all you need to do is just scroll through these options and you'll need to find the best deal for you. And once you do that, you can simply tap right here on this button where it says get deal in order to get the promotion that you want to get. Also, going back to the main search right here, if I'm going to scroll down a little bit, we have this website which is called Groupon. And right here, we also have some deals, as you can see, that we can use. So right here, all you need to do is just scroll through these options right here. And for example, if you want to get, let's say, this promotion right here on Black Friday, all you need to do is tap on this button where it says get deal and you will be redirected to the website. If not, you can simply tap right here on this button where it says shop now, and you'll be redirected to the website, and the promotion will be applied automatically. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.